Welcome to Narzi Cooking Cave's Top 5 Smokers Showdown. We've grilled the data, not just the ribs. Our research smoked out over 50 models. Only the tastiest 5 survived our flavor gauntlet. First up, the SmokeMaster 3000, a backyard MVP. It delivers consistent heat like your favorite reliable uncle. Next, the Woodfire Pro, flavor magician extraordinaire. Its wood chip tray is bigger than my weekend plans. Third, Turbo Smoker X for those who hate waiting. It heats up faster than gossip at a family BBQ. Fourth, the Chill Grill for effortless, cool smoking. Even your dog could operate this smoker, probably. Last but not least, Flavor Boss Elite. The name says it all. It's got smart tech. Yes, your brisket gets Wi-Fi. All 5 models bring unique flavor twists. We measured smoke output, temperature control, and taste. Each scored over 90% in flavor retention tests. Turbo Smoker X won fastest startup, just 5 minutes. SmokeMaster 3000 held steady heat for 12 hours straight. Woodfire Pro infused 30% more smoke flavor. Flavor Boss Elite's app lets you control smoke from your hammock. Chill Grill's auto-clean feature saves you scrubbing time. We asked 100 home cooks to rate these smokers. 98% said they'd recommend these to their neighbor. Barbecue enthusiasts gave thumbs up for juicy results. Outdoor entertainers loved the easy setup. No manual needed. Our top 5 simplify smoker selection. No more analysis paralysis. Each model comes with a flavor guarantee, not just smoke signals. Data shows these smokers cut cooking time by 40%. That's more time for dad jokes and lemonade. Flavor Boss Elite can smoke 20 salmoms of meat at once. Perfect for feeding your hungry football team. Chill Grill's compact size fits any patio. Yes, even tiny ones. Turbo Smoker X uses 30% less fuel. Eco-friendly BBQ hero. Woodfire Pro's adjustable vents, flavor control like a DJ. SmokeMaster 3000's Meat Pro breeds temps faster than you blink. No more guessing if your chicken is done. All models passed our no burnt ends test. We compared prices. These are wallet-friendly picks. No need to sell your grill to buy a smoker. Each comes with a warranty because accidents happen. Turbo Smoker X survived our drop test twice. Woodfire Pro's handles stay cool. No oven mitts needed. Chill Grill's ash catcher is bigger than my snack bowl. Flavor Boss Elite sends you notifications. Your ribs are ready. SmokeMaster 3000's lid seals in flavor, not drama. We tested on brisket, ribs, chicken, and veggies. Results: mouth-watering every single time. Home cooks loved the easy cleaning features. Barbecue enthusiasts praised the smoky aroma. Outdoor entertainers enjoyed the crowd-pleasing capacity. No more complicated smoker shopping? Just pick from our top 5. Each model is beginner-friendly, but pro-approved. Turbo Smoker X comes with a quick start guide. Woodfire Pro includes a recipe booklet. Yum guaranteed. Flavor Boss Elite's app has step-by-step tutorials. Chill Grill offers free online support. No smoke signals required. SmokeMaster 3000 setup takes less than 10 minutes. We've cooked up the data, so you don't have to. Our top 5 smokers make backyard cooking simple. Unique features mean everyone finds their flavor soulmate. No more flavor FOMO. These smokers deliver every time. Backyard BBQs just got easier and tastier. Impress your friends, feed your family, win at grilling. NRZ Cooking Cave stands by every data point we shared. We guarantee flavor, fun, and fewer burnt sausages. Ready to upgrade your backyard cooking game? Pick your favorite from our top 5 smokers today. Let the flavor adventures begin. Your taste buds will thank you. NRZ Cooking Cave, where backyard legends are made.